Scientists are on the verge of something unbelievable: reversing aging. We're not talking about creams or aesthetic treatments, but about a technology capable of restoring your cells to full youth. What would it be like if, instead of aging, your cells got younger and younger? Harvard and MIT have already tested this on animals, and the results are so impressive that they change everything we know about old age. Why is this research about to revolutionize medicine? And how can this discovery transform the way we live forever? Enjoyed this content? Then don't miss out on the other videos on my channel. I'm sure you'll find something that catches your interest. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll stay updated with all the new content and help the channel grow even more. I'm counting on you. Reversing cellular aging is no longer just a science fiction dream, and is now the focus of groundbreaking research led by scientists at Harvard and MIT. In an unprecedented advance, cellular reprogramming techniques are making it possible to restore human cells to a more youthful state. Imagine a future where diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even heart disease can be treated at the root, rejuvenating the affected tissues and organs. We are on the verge of a revolution where biological age could be slowed down or even reversed. The impact of this on human longevity and quality of life is almost unimaginable. The key to this breakthrough lies in the manipulation of Yamanaka factors, proteins that reprogram mature cells, bringing them back to their embryonic state. In the laboratories of Harvard and MIT, experiments on animals have shown that this technique can restore aging cells, reversing visible signs of aging. We are talking about the possibility of regenerating entire organs and treating chronic diseases like never before. Science, which previously only observed the natural aging process, is now beginning to actively intervene in this cycle, providing hope for a longer and healthier life. The impact is not restricted to individual health, but extends to the whole of society. With this technology, preventive medicine can be completely reimagined. Instead of treating the symptoms of age-related diseases, such as cancer and osteoporosis, doctors will be able to act directly on cellular causes. The global economy will also feel the effects. Imagine a rejuvenated workforce, with lower healthcare costs and a longer active population. We are witnessing the beginning of an era in which old age may not mean any more decline. On the other hand, this medical revolution also raises deep ethical and social questions. If age-reversing technology becomes widely accessible, what will the world look like where people can live much longer, potentially doubling or tripling their life expectancies? How will societies adapt to prolonged longevity? And what will be the consequences for natural resources, social security, and population balance? The possibility of living longer is getting closer and closer, but the implications of this extended longevity are still being explored. Finally, it is important to note that while these advances are extraordinary, we are still in the early stages of this scientific journey. The first human trials will be crucial to understanding the long-term effects and possible risks of cellular reprogramming. However, what once seemed distant is now closer than ever. The expectation that diseases of old age can be cured, and even that old age itself can be delayed, represents a watershed in modern medicine. The future is being shaped by these discoveries and promises to completely transform the way we live and age.